In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add a promo code on Ticketmaster. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Ticketmaster. Provide your credentials and log into your account. After logging in, search for the event you want to attend by using the artist, team, venue, or date. Once you find the correct event, double-check the details like date, time, and location to ensure you are selecting the right tickets. Now choose your tickets using the seat map or available filters like price range and section. After selecting your seats, continue to checkout. On the payment page, look for the option labeled Add Promo Code, Credits, or Gift Cards. Click on it to reveal the input field where you can enter your promo code. Carefully type or paste your promo code exactly as provided, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors since codes are often case sensitive. Once entered, click apply and wait a moment for the discount will be processed. If the code is valid, you'll see the reduced price reflected in your order summary. If the discount does not appear, double check the terms and conditions of the code. Some promo codes only work for specific events, dates, seating sections, or have expiration limits. So that's it. This is how you can easily add promo code in your Ticketmaster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.